Understanding sheepish, a fun dive into English idioms. Hello, English enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of English language and idioms. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning and usage of a charming expression, sheepish. Stay with us to discover why this animal is linked to a particular human emotion. Sheepish refers to a kind of embarrassment or shyness that makes someone look and feel a bit awkward, usually after they've done something wrong or silly. Imagine a sheep's timid and shy behavior, especially when it's around people. This imagery helps in understanding why the term sheepish is used to describe similar human emotions. This section delves into the historical roots of the word. Sheepish has been part of the English language for centuries, with its first recorded use dating back to the Middle Ages. It's fascinating how animal characteristics often find their way into our language to describe human behavior, and sheepish is a perfect example of this trend. Let's see sheepish in action. In this part, we provide several examples to illustrate how sheepish can be used in everyday conversation. 1. After breaking the vase, the child gave his mother a sheepish smile. 2. He felt sheepish when his mistake was pointed out during the meeting. 3. Despite her achievements, she had a sheepish way of accepting compliments. These examples help viewers understand the context in which sheepish is appropriately used. Expanding your vocabulary is always beneficial. Here, we discuss synonyms like embarrassed, bashful, and self-conscious. These words carry similar meanings and can be used interchangeably in various contexts. This section explores how sheepish is perceived and used in various English-speaking cultures. Is the expression commonly used in American English, British English, or Australian English? Understanding these cultural nuances is vital, especially for learners aiming to use English in diverse settings. That's all about sheepish. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression and added a fun element to your English learning journey. Remember, feeling a bit sheepish is quite natural and nothing to be worried about. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging English language content. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.